Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got a Pagani Zonda F, and this is from a new maker. I don't know how old it is, but this is new for me. It's called Poster Cars, and as you can see, it's from the Hyper League collection. It says it's finished in 1964 in the Rosso, Dubai. I think that's the color. Looks like a nicely detailed casting. Um, I don't know how it's going to compare with other premium casting, but it does say age is 8 plus. It's more of a collectible. I can see some good details, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So unlike some of the recent castings, like premium casting which come in a box, this one actually comes in a display case, and it is a nice display case. It also mentions Hypercar League Collection 02 and mentions it's Pagani Zonda F with 1/64 scale and Rosso Dubai, Rosso. I almost had a different accent here. Looks like a nice casting. You can see some good details. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what's in there. So there you go. You can have a quick look. This beautiful casting looks really good. The car was actually screwed on the base, so you can just unscrew it and it comes off. Looks nice. Let's deep dive into it. So here's the Pagani Zonda F. One thing that really surprised me when I got this out of the box, it's really light, and then I did this and see it's a plastic base. I'm actually not sure if the body is metal either, but I think it is. You can't really use a magnet, it's in steel, but it doesn't matter what material they use, still looks really good. So I'm going to start from the front. In the front, you got some really nice detail. You can see nicely detailed headlamps, fog lamps. Lower grille is also detailed, as you can see. But with the mirrors, which is great to have on a Pagani because the mirrors are very different from any other cars. Looks good. You also got the Pagani badge and the carbon fiber surround around the windshield, and it actually looks good. The details are really nice. So does the paint. Looks really good. Now on the driver's side, a few details. It's actually really light. Few details which looks really good, like the wheels. They look really nice. The tires are rubber. It's good to have. And if you look closely, you can see the disc brakes inside. Again, good detail. The paint is finished in this beautiful shade with lower part finished in black. Also, you can see the carbon fiber details on the door here, which looks good. I think these are the hatches for the hood, rear one that opens up. I'm not wrong. Interior also has some details. We'll come to that later. Now moving to the back, again nice details here. You can see painted tail lamp, Pagani badge, the signature quad exhaust in the rear grille, Zonda F badge, and a splitter at the bottom. And this wing, which also looks nice, is finished in black. Passenger side looks almost identical. Don't see any major differences. Now, if we look from the top, you can see the fuel filler here. You can also see the engine, which is good to have. Interior is finished in tan, which I can definitely see on a Zonda, and it has some details. Not a lot of details, but some level of details. As you can see, the speedo, the dash, this central instrument panel, those are kind of finished in silver to give some kind of details if you look closely. And the steering wheel again is finished in black, so it looks slightly different from rest of the interior. So is the tunnel, I'd say, central tunnel or instrument panel. I'm not sure what it's called, but yeah, some details, some different colors used make it look better. Overall, I think it's a nice casting. As I said before, the base is plastic, and I'm not very sure about the top either, but it looks nice. It's very lightweight, and I think if you want to get it, you're gonna like it. I'm surely gonna get some other ones of the poster cars. They look nice. This is my first one, so I wasn't sure how does it look, but yeah, it looks nice, and I think it will be a good addition to any collection. Those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.